Time to work on our oil pastels for our outside of our Zentangle tree. All right, there's a few things that you need to know. And the first thing is right here, we are gonna call this our horizon line, okay? So that is the line that you would see if you were looking out across a landscape. You would see where the earth meets the sky, and that is called the horizon line. So we are gonna do our greens on probably about the first 3 squares. You could do 4 if you wanted your horizon line to be a little bit further out, that's fine. So 3 up or 4, okay? And then everything above that is going to be your blues and your purples. Everything inside of our circle is going to represent the foliage, or it could represent the sun also. That's going to be our warm colors, our yellows, our oranges, our reds. Where the outside of the circle are our cool colors. We have our greens, our blues, and our purples. You don't have to use purple if you don't want to, but it's an option, all right? You don't often see a purple sky, but there are times when you could see some cool sunsets and cool things in the sky when there's a storm or something, and it could look a little purplish. Okay, so green below our horizon line, blue above, and then inside our circle, we're gonna do our warm colors, our yellows, oranges, and reds. I want you to vary your squares with your different colors, and I want you to think about your contrast again, just like we did with the tree. I have a light green next to a dark green. I have this kind of natural looking green next to this bright green. Okay, if you chose to do something like a gradient, like we learned with our other project, you could do that as well. I just want you to be intentional with where you're putting your colors, whether you want it to be a gradient one way or the other, or you want it to be contrasting like I did.